Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to insert image. So if you want to insert image, first I will change for the view. You can press button and then I will click in this front view. Press buttons to go into full screen. The next, to insert the image, you can go to view menu in it and then click on image plane. I will use the import image. Now settings for your image. As example, I will use this image. Click open and it will be automatically attached into your plan. So you can go back into space again and I will use the perspective view. Okay, I will insert like in the set view. Go to view, click on image plane, import image, and I will use again the same picture. Click open and then you can press space buttons, you can move into perspective view. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to insert image.